Hello, how are you? New product. I think not too much people see because this is totally new in China and it is a very interesting product. What is this? This is not a clock, this is timer, you know? As you could see, 3, 5, 10, whatsoever. You could see the video. This is a very interesting product, and you know who will be using this? People who do the cooking, people who do fitness, people who studying, people who's working hard and needs just a 5 or 10 minutes to relax. And this, by the way, have the magnet. You just need all to do is to click, for example, 3, and as you could see, start 3 minutes. Yes, just put it, and once it finish, it will be alarming. If you know how to target this product, I think this product is one of the coming winning product. And you see my other colleagues who have the channels who showing the winning products, they will show this in the next month and the month after. I am 100% sure about this. Our advantage is that we are in China. We know the product. As you see, I could touch the product. I'm not showing anything on my screen, so the product in my hand. The link of the product is down. You can know the price, the shipping cost, everything through our mutualdropship.com. Please follow, subscribe, and share the video for your other friends who are doing the online and the e-commerce. Our services is a lot. Fast shipping, storage. By the way, you know that we have 19 overseas warehouse starting from China, USA, Europe, and many other countries. So if you need any extra information, please just put your name on the link before, and one of our team will contact you soon. I hope everyone to have great sales, happy sales. See you in the next video. Bye bye.